TV shows we watched growing up in the 2000s. Lazy Town, 64 Zoo Lane, Fifi and the Flower Tots, Charlie and Lola, The Backyardigans, Dora the Explorer, the Zingzillas, the Tweenies, Bob the Builder, the Fimbles, Roly Poly Oly, Barney, Booba, Blue's Clues, Clifford the Big Red Dog, Tots TV, Teletubbies,